Hello children, let's learn a rhyme on birds today. On a big green tree there were many crows, with a caw here and the caw there. Here a caw, there a caw, everywhere a caw. On a big green tree there were many crows. On the same big tree there were many sparrows, with a tweet tweet here and the tweet tweet there. Here a tweet, there a tweet, everywhere a tweet tweet. On a same big tree there were many parrots, with a me too here and a me too there. There a me too here, a me too everywhere, a me too. On a same big farm there were many hens, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. On the same big farm there were many roosters, with a cock-a-doodle-doo here, with a cock-a-doodle-doo there. Here a do, there a do, everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. In the pond, in the farm there were many ducks, with the quack quack here and the quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. On a big tree there were many birds. On a big farm there were many birds. Thank you children, thank you for watching.